Clashes broke out during a Hindu religious procession in the Indian capital, New Delhi, on Saturday, injuring several people, including policemen, police said, days after similar religious violence in 3 states. Eyewitnesses told Reuters that the violence erupted between Muslims and Hindus during the procession in Jahangirpuri, a suburb of New Delhi. Police said they were still investigating. The violence broke out during a procession to mark the Hindu festival of Hanuman Jayanti, police said without giving more details. Earlier on Saturday, protesters in New Delhi shouted slogans against Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, saying Muslims were violently targeted by authorities in the aftermath of Hindu-Muslim clashes in parts of 3 states ruled by Modi's Hindu Nationalist Party. The clashes last Sunday during a religious festival prompted police to impose a curfew in one town and ban gatherings of more than 4 people in parts of the states. Local authorities tore down the homes and shops of suspected Muslim rioters in central Madhya Pradesh state in the aftermath of the violence that broke out during the Hindu festival of Ram Navami, according to a police official who did not want to be named.
आप मुझे बताइए क्या हुआ था एग्जैक्टली?
ये हुआ था, पहले 2 शोभा यात्रा निकाल गया, हम लोग खुद स्वागत करके निकाल भी दिया, आराम से सब प्यार मोहब्बत से चले गया। दूसरी करीब 6-6:15 बजे, 6:15 बजे उस टाइम एक शोभा यात्रा आया, उधर से निकालते हुए आया, पुलिस वाले सिर्फ 2 ही था। वो बेचारा क्या करके जो जब यहाँ आया, यहाँ आके जय श्री राम नारा लगाते लगाते आ रहा है, यहाँ आके मस्जिद का गेट में घुस गया, जब भगवा झंडा लेकर झंडा लगाने की कोशिश किया, उन्हें समझा बुझा के ये किया, उन लोग कहाँ माना, उन लोग लड़ाई दंगा